Good morning, guys. This is your sales agent, Mr. Alexis Public of Innova Homes Realty Corporation, and I'm here to update you guys for this month of March 2023. Available Block 29 and soon to open available near to it. So from main entrance, we are here at the main road going to Block 29. Our main road or primary road size is 10 meters wide, and our secondary road size is 8 meters wide. As you can see on the left and the right side, the set of townhouses on the right side is our sales office or block 1, which is not yet available right now. Then on my left side, after the tractor, is the available block 29. That is very near to our main gate, and it's so affordable when it comes to price competition compared to other blocks, which have been sold out from the started launch date last year, January 18, 2022. For reservation and house stripping with company service that is guaranteed free of charge, kindly contact me below caption. And again, this is your sales agent, Mr. Alexis Public of Innova Homes Realty Corporation, giving you the most update of our mid and over subdivision, all in developers assisted. And again, I'm here to fully assist and guide you to reach your lifetime dream home, house, a lot as we build homes, build future. Contact me, guys. See ya.